Hello guys, good morning everyone. Sorry I lost my voice last night after all the shouting and this stuff is about to start. This is the morning the women is about to start the cooking. As you can see, they are washing the pot and preparing for the cooking. I'm going to carry you guys. My voice is so discouraging. Sorry guys. The women are mixing the Okpa, Bambara nuts. Yes, this is for UTARA. Those from Nsukka who understand better. Firstly, you mix it before putting on fire on it. As you can see, they are trying to smoothen it. Bambara! Okay, ababune wora ka mix dey mix gbe ne woro shiton. So, guys, I'm asking them why it is thick now, and they said after mixing it with your hand and it's smooth enough, you use stick to turn it to know the amount or the quantity of water that should be added to it. When you get the okay, I got be a didamanoro. Okay. Obuzina money adoro afeyoka. Okay, when they get to know that the water is enough, then they will put on fire. You can see this is where the fire will be. There is no fire yet, but it will soon be. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, open now, got the zero. The women are stirring it. It's fire already. This is how it will be. Continuously stir. As you can see, it's thickening now. It's very thick now. You have to full up quick before it